Welcome to the most popular floor plan in Cambria. This sought-after great room with open kitchen and vaulted ceilings is fantastic for relaxing after a long day and for entertaining on the weekends. I just love this large butcher block island. The primary suite is on the back of the house and split from the other bedrooms. Let's check out bedrooms 2 and 3 in the second bath. There's even more entertaining space out in the backyard with a large extended patio. This property is just a short walk to the neighborhood park and only a few minutes to the Queen Creek Olive Mill and the iconic Schnepp Farms. Thank you for taking a quick tour. Make sure to put this on your must-see list.